Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix and repair holes in your interior walls such as this and how to make them look as good as new. I bought this wall patch from Amazon. It was about £10 and it basically lets you apply it to the hole and then you fill it up with polyfiller. So the first step is to sand down the area surrounding the hole and the edges of the hole. Mine's pretty overall. And it's pretty flat as it is, so it's probably okay as it is. The next step is actually to cut the wall patch to a slightly bigger size in the hole, not too big. The wall patch is self-adhesive, so you basically peel back the backing and then apply it to the hole. Once you've got it ready, apply it, covering the hole. Make sure it sticks well around the hole. Like so. And then you need to use the filler to smoothen it over. The next step is to apply the filler to cover these notches and holes to make it look all smooth again. I prefer to do this by hand. You can use an implement if you prefer. And you just want to keep doing this until all the holes and ridges have disappeared, basically. And then once you've covered all the metal areas, keep all the shiny metal. You can see there's small metal bits still there exposed, but keep them to a minimum. And then when you paint over it, that will cover up anything. The edge bit will also be covered by the paint. So now you just let the filler dry and then you come back later to paint it. After an hour or so, come back and your filler should then be dry. Then you need to, as you can see, it's quite a rough surface. So you need to sand it down so it's as flat as possible with the sandpaper. And again, you don't need to get it perfect because you will be painting over this. But you just need to get all the main uneven bits out. Yeah, I think that will do. And then the next step is to paint over the filler and the area. Hopefully you've still got some original paint left over for when you painted the wall. If not, good luck with that. I'll let the dogs come say hello. This is Patch. Hello, Patchy. You may want to stop all pets coming in while you're doing this operation, depending on the temperament of the animal. There's Bungle. Bungle Patch, out! And there we go. Yes, so hopefully you've got some paint. If you haven't got the paint, good luck trying to match it. Hopefully it's a standard colour and it won't be too difficult. Beginning to look better already. You will need quite a bit of paint just to smooth over the rough parts. So make sure you've got enough. Probably need a couple of coats as well. You can see it's already starting to disappear. Here we go, the first coat is now complete, so let that dry and then do another coat. You may need to do 2 or 3 coats to make it look decent. Once the first coat is dry, just do another coat. You can see it's covering it up better now with the second coat. So leave that coat to dry and then you may need a third. And as you can see, it's blended well into the wall and it's now finished now that the paint is dried. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you find it useful, if you enjoyed it, please like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.